At Medieval, we're interested in multimedia challenges as they exist in the wild. And we connect up tasks to use scenarios, to basic things that people want to do with multimedia, finding and browsing. So we look at video that's been collected from the internet, and we also look to industry to tell us what they see as up and coming in terms of user needs, where algorithms could be useful to actually make available applications to users that would help their access to multimedia and just their ability to use and enjoy multimedia. Well, so the difference between the 2010 initiative and the 2011 initiative, the most noticeable difference is that we really grew in size. So we had 13 working notes papers last year, and this year we had 39 with plus 6 overview papers. So this reflects the number of people who have participated in the challenge and actually crossed the finish line, submitted runs, and submitted a working notes paper. Another difference with last year is that this year we're an official satellite event of the Interspeech Conference, which was held earlier this week in Firenze. And being associated with Interspeech this year has really allowed us to emphasize the speech side of multimedia. We had a spoken web search task. The session that just finished is the rich speech retrieval task. So we were happy to really make this connection to the speech community because speech is an important part of multimedia. In the future, we'll continue to connect to other communities because we really want to emphasize the multi and multimedia, the visual channel, the speech channel, social annotations that are associated with multimedia are also important. I think the most challenging thing about being an organizer is building consensus, because we need to operate according to schedule, but we need everybody to be on board. The Medieval effort is really a community effort, and it's made possible. We had 18 task organizers this year organizing 6 tasks. So it's really building consensus between the people about, okay, we're going to come together and this is then going to be the deadline, and making sure that happens. That's the biggest challenge. In my opinion, the most exciting part of the Medieval workshop is that we're going to come here and we're going to see something that we've never seen before. That somebody's gonna turn up and say, "Hey, look, I took this task and I did this with it, and this is what happened, and this is my idea for where we need to go to next." Or I took this technology and now we have a totally different application for it in this particular context. I guess that's the most exciting thing about being here and doing this. So moving forward in Medieval, we've had a lot of comments about, wow, the diversity is amazing. People are using different techniques to approach the same tasks. People come from all over the world. People are coming from the speech community, from the social media community, from the IR community, from the community that concentrates on visual processing. So I think moving forward, we look to maintain and increase this diversity, because I think that's a real strength, something that really feeds the innovation that we're trying to accomplish here.